thinking about buying a resale shared ownership home rather than a new build? Your home buying journey is a little different. Here's a quick look at the main steps. Remember, we're here to help all the way. First, find your new shared ownership home. Just browse our website and book your viewings online, or sign up for alerts to see our new homes as soon as they appear. Have a quick chat with one of our recommended independent financial advisors, IFAs. In 5 minutes, they'll help you understand what's affordable for you. Viewed a home you like? Let us know, and a Resi Resales consultant will get in touch to talk things through. Then you meet the IFA again for a more detailed affordability assessment and some compliance checks. You need a decision in principle from a mortgage lender too. And you complete an apply to buy form to give us all your details. If you haven't already, it's time to appoint a solicitor who understands shared ownership. We can recommend some. The seller also has a solicitor, and so does the landlord of the home you're buying. Solicitors' costs are usually around £1,000 to £1,600, including VAT, plus disbursements. Your solicitor will also let you know if there's a stamp duty to pay. If you're selected for the home you want, we send you an offer letter. Just send it back within 3 days with the name of your solicitor. Next, you work with your financial advisor to get everything in place for your mortgage. The advisor explains the different mortgage costs. These could include upfront mortgage fees, as well as the advisor's own fees of around £250 to £400, including VAT. Then, a Resi Resales progression consultant takes over to look after you until your sale completes. They will work with you and with all the solicitors to make sure everyone has everything they need to exchange contracts. When everyone is happy they have all the details, the searches and legal checks are finished, and your mortgage has been formally approved. Contracts are exchanged, you pay your non-refundable deposit and are legally committed to buying your new home. Then, the solicitors work with you and the seller to set a completion date, and you make sure your mortgage funds are ready. Hooray! Now it's completion day, when you become a homeowner. First, the money is transferred. Then you can pick up the keys. Just arrange a place and time with the seller. And finally, you move into your new home, unpack and start settling in. There's more to find out first. Our videos and booklets have got it covered. And remember, we are here to help. Find out more at sharedownership.co.uk.